Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing awesome. Welcome to today's video. If you're new here guys, my name is Eunice. I'm a mom and I'm also a wife. I've got massive laundry to do today. I've got clothes, I've got floor mats, I've got duvets, and then later on in the evening I'm gonna prepare some mandazis for breakfast. I've got lots of folding also to do today. So without wasting time, let's get this video started. This is my laundry basket that is always in my bedroom, and to be honest I think I haven't done laundry for the past 2 weeks. But my first step is always to sort out the clothes. You want to be very careful when you're washing your clothes using a washing machine, just to make sure you take care of the fabric, texture, and even color. So another load that I'll be putting in the washing machine are these floor mats. I get these floor mats from Gikomba, and they definitely range between 350 to even 1,000 bob, depending on the size that you want, the fabric that you want. But they have really served me. They are very good quality, so I can't complain. So after washing them in the machine, I go ahead and just put them outside to sun dry. In case you're interested about this LG front load washing machine, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box. I've done a video of how to use it and also a review when it comes to price and the process of using it so far. For the detergent, I'm just using the Persil powder for washing machine lavender scent, and then for the fabric conditioner I'm just using Downy. Next, I was putting in my duvet, and for the duvet it takes a lot of time because of the fabric and also because you need it to wash properly, so it goes for even up to 2 or 3 hours of washing. After this, I started to hang my clothes. I had already others outside, but I had to put some in the balcony area because the space was not enough outside, and also I was running out of pegs. But basically it's just to sun dry and then they are good to go for folding. Next step was to go to the kitchen and do some cleaning and just organizing to make sure that the place looks neat and organized, because after our lunch the place was just so messy. For your oven cleaning, I've done a separate video on this, so if you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box. I had so much load, and it got a point I was starting to lose count of my load, and it started getting dark, but I still went ahead and continued with my laundry until I finished everything. So when I started folding, hubby was behind cameras and we were just chatting and laughing about anything and everything. So just in case you see me laughing, it's actually hubby who is just behind the cameras. And I had a lot of loads to fold, definitely because I'd washed so many clothes, but I had to make sure that I'm done with everything today. For my baby's clothes, I've done a separate video of decluttering and organizing of her clothes. So in case you're interested in such a video, you can go ahead and check the link down in the description box of how just to work with small pieces to make sure that your baby's clothes are well, neat and organized. Clearly it was getting late, but these clothes were well dried up now, so I had to get them inside and just fold them and then put another load on the hanging lines. After this, I had to go back inside and now start preparing my mandazi for the next day breakfast. And at this time also, a friend of mine, Priscilla, had passed by, so I was just doing this as we were having a chat. So guys, this will actually be the end of my video, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this inspirational laundry video. I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, or at least give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you'd want a separate video of how to do your mandazi or anything that you'd want to see me prepare in my kitchen. So that's it for today, guys. I just hope that you'll enjoy this video and enjoy the channel and continue staying tuned. Goodbye.